Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today we're diving into the vibrant Hebrew vocabulary of herbs and spices. So, without further ado, let's begin. The Hebrew word for a spice is tavlin. Tavlin. And the plural form spices is tavlinim. Tavlinim. Herb is esev tibul. Esev tibul. And the plural form herbs is isbei tibul. Isbei tibul. Basil is basilicum. Basilicum. Parsley is petrozilia. Petrozilia. Coriander is kusbara. Kusbara. Mint is nana. Na. Rosemary is rosmarine. Rosmarine. Thyme is timin. Timin. Oregano is oregano. Oregano. Dill is shamir. Shamir. An onion is batzal. Batzal. Spring onion is batzal yarok. Batzal yarok. Yarok means green, singular male. Chive is irit. Irit. Sage is marva. Marva. Lemon verbena is Louisa. Louisa. Bay leaf is ale dafna. Ale dafna. Cumin is kamun. Kamun. Clove is tziporen. Tziporen. Nutmeg is egoz muscat. Egoz muscat. Garlic is shum. Shum. Turmeric is kurkum. Kurkum. Saffron is za'afran. Za'afran. Paprika is paprika. Paprika. Black pepper is pilpel shachor. Pilpel shachor. White pepper is pilpel lavan. Pilpel lavan. Ginger is ginger. Ginger. But there is also the Hebrew word zangvil. Zangvil. Cardamom is hell. Hell. Cinnamon is cinnamon. Cinnamon. Fennel seeds is zir'ei shumar. Zir'ei shumar. Zir'ei means seeds of, shumar, fennel. Mustard seeds are zir'ei chardal. Zir'ei chardal. Vanilla is vanil. Vanil. Lemongrass is esev limon. Esev limon. Sesame is sum sum. Sum sum. Poppy seeds are זרעי פרג. זרעי פרג. Smoked paprika is פפריקה מעושנת. פפריקה מעושנת. Chili powder is אבקת chili. אבקת powder of chili. Curry powder is אבקת curry. אבקת curry. Sea salt is מלח ים. מלח salt ים sea. Now we'll go over some of the ways you can consume the herbs and spices. Ground is טחון. טחון. Flakes are פתיתים. פתיתים. Dried is מיובש. מיובש. Fresh is טרי. טרי. Crushed is מרוסק. מרוסק. Whole is שלם. שלם. Powder is אבקה. אבקה. Extract is תמצית. תמצית. A blend is תערובת. תערובת. A mixture is mix. Mix. Paste is רסק. רסק. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.